Hey guys, I figured I would do another one of these where I walk during the daytime. So here we go. Oh, I'm hearing a Lenny cicada. I haven't been hearing those a lot lately. What was that I just heard? Hang on, I gotta hear that again. Oh, I'm hearing a lyric cicada too. Oh, I just heard that noise. There it was again. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that's something new. It stopped, whatever it was. Hopefully you guys heard it. It was very short. Whatever it was. It only called for a short period of time every time. I think I'm hearing a Thomas's trig up in that tree. That's new. I don't know what that was. Still not hearing many birds right now. There's a robin right there. That's nice. What was that? Wait a minute. I'm hearing a greater anglewing right now. What the heck? It's the middle of the day. Yeah, that's a greater anglewing. Now it stopped. That was weird. Huh, I didn't know they called during the day. I've only ever heard them at night. That was actually pretty cool. Ah, great. Someone mowing their grass. Which means I can't hear anything. Oh, there's some hummingbirds fighting at that house. They have 2 hummingbird feeders, so. Oh, thank God he's going that way. I hate loud motors. I'm hearing that Arias chime. I just heard it ring a little bit just now. I wish they still made that one. I think it sucks that one went discontinued. I'm hearing a southern ground cricket faintly. It sounds like that greater anglewing stopped. That was strange, but I loved it. I got to hear one during the day. Usually I don't hear those during the day. Oh, I thought that was some type of cricket, but that was just the air conditioning running over at that house. And someone's dog's barking. A little windy right now, as you can see. More southern ground crickets. Oh, I'm hearing that sound again. It stopped. I'm not sure what it is though. Oh, those wind chimes are ringing a little bit. Sure you could hear them. Well, I'm not sure you can hear them, but I hope you did is what I meant to say. Yeah, there's no Colombian trigs calling right now. I think I'm actually hearing a sage trig somewhere. Oh, there's the Lenny cicada. Nice. Oh, I'm hearing a swamp cicada too. And a lyric cicada. Wow, 3 species in one spot. That's unusual. Oh, I'm hearing a Robinson's too. That's pretty much all the species that I hear in my area this year, except for the scissor grinder. So, this is a funny story. Vinyl Nerd was telling me yesterday that he heard all the species in his area except for one, and now today the same thing has happened to me. I heard a ruby-throated hummingbird somewhere. I can still hear the Robinson cicada faintly. I'm hearing a sage trig again. Oh, I'm hearing I think that's a house sparrow. Ugh! People in their loud motors, I swear. I think that's actually a house finch, or maybe a mixture of both. I think one of the ones I'm hearing is a house finch and the other's a song sparrow. Oh, I'm hearing the Robinson cicada behind me, which just stopped. Of course, the first time I hear a bird clearly, the traffic has to come through. People just do not care as long as they get attention for themselves, they don't care. As long as people give them attention, everything's fine. Our feelings don't matter to them. I'm hearing another swamp cicada behind me. Oh, thank God the sun went behind a cloud. That was actually hot. I think I was just hearing an actual eastern striped cricket. Nice. And you know what's funny? I usually hear those more during the day than at night. I'm hearing a lyric cicada faintly behind me, and a swamp cicada too. There seems to be it's funny, the bird activity's less and the cicada activity's more right now. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the birds, but yeah, I just do not have many right now, as you can hear. Maybe it's too hot for them. I think I'm hearing a faint Allard's ground cricket, maybe. Yeah, I'm approaching where I normally hear the agile meadow katydids, and I think I might have just heard a couple seconds ago. I might have heard a goldfinch. Yeah, that's another one that calls more during the day. I hear them at both day and night, but but they definitely call more frequently during the day. At nighttime, they tend to call more spread up. Their calls are more spread apart. So you know what I mean? Yes, there's definitely a lot more right now. All right, I'm gonna go back now. I'm hearing some fall field crickets over there right now too. That's nice. Yeah, I'm hearing agile meadow katydids constantly right now, so they definitely are more of a daytime thing. But I do hear them at night, just not as frequently. It's more of just a here and there thing at night. I'm not hearing any handsome. As soon as I mention it, I hear a trig. I'm not sure if it was a handsome trig or not, though. Wow, that cup is still there from last night. There's two of them. I swear, people do not care about the environment at all. I'm not hearing as many handsome trigs for some reason. There's some. Oh, an eastern towhee's nearby too. I don't see it though. I'm hearing a Colombian trig. And here comes a car. Oh, there's a handsome trig pretty close. Nice. I'm approaching this spot right here where I normally hear short-winged meadow katydids from. And I think I'm still hearing them. Yep, I am. Hopefully you heard them. I don't know how well I don't think the camera picks them up very well for some reason. Oh, I'm hearing some more agile meadow katydids right here. All right. Oh, I'm hearing the lesser pine katydids right now too. I'm not sure how well the camera picked them up. Hopefully it got a little bit of it at least. There's another agile meadow katydid nearby right here. There it was. Well, there's another one nearby right through here, it sounds like. Yeah, it sounds pretty close. And it stopped. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'm hearing another fall field cricket, and there's some more of the agile meadow katydids. And here comes another car, of course, hooray! Oh, I didn't even see that car. Oh, wow. I didn't even know that car was coming. My God, what's with all the traffic all of a sudden? Now maybe I can hear stuff. I'm hearing some handsome trigs, I think. Not a lot, though. Oh, yes, I'm hearing them now. It sounds like there's one that could be kind of close. Still can't tell where, though. Alright, it stopped. I'm still hearing a bunch of others around, though. Alright, I'll let you listen to these for a minute. I'm hearing a goldfinch somewhere right now. Alright, I'm gonna head back now. The reason I usually don't go up that way during the daytime is because, well, what's the point? There's no common-chew katydids right now. Oh, there's a robin up there. No, that's a cardinal, actually. A female one. I heard another eastern towhee out in the distance somewhere. I think that's an Allard's ground cricket. that I'm hearing right there, because I think the only reason it sounds that fast is because of where it's hot. Because usually the Thomas's trigs would be calling more in like bushes and stuff. And that's just grass, so. Oh, a Robinson cicada. I think those are definitely more up this way, the cicadas right now. I think it's funny how I was going on about how the Robinson cicadas are usually the least I hear in my area, or at least it was last year, and now this year that's what I'm hearing the most of. I think that's actually really funny. Yeah, I'm actually hearing it right now pretty well. All right, I'm back home, so I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.